In this video, I'll show you how you can write blogs with the help of AI at DLSurf. So let's get started. First of all, open dl.surf and here in the dashboard you can find an option that says blog. So simply click over there. So once you are on this blog page, you can find this button that says write blog. So simply click over there. So here you have two options to write blog with the help of AI. So the first option is you simply click or type slash and here you can see write with AI. So simply click over there and here you can give a prompt just like write me a blog about nature. Now our AI will write a blog about it. So you can just see it on the screen. So it is typing, AI is preparing us the blog. It is writing the SEO friendly blog which will rank on Google, which will rank on different LLMs, and it will obviously rank on DLSurf itself as well. Now, once the blog is ready, you can see it automatically wrote tags, it automatically selected the category, it also wrote the SEO description as well. And next, you can enable the ads so that you can make revenue from this blog as well. And now, let's move on to the next step from which you can make blog with the help of DLSurf. So here, once you're on the blog page, you can see advanced section. So inside this advanced section, you can simply enter the link of your YouTube video. Now here I'm entering my video link. Now I'll click on write. Now AI will automatically write a blog by scanning the video and by scanning the transcript of the video. Once the blog is ready, you can publish the blog as well. And if it needs any refinement or any changes, then you can make the changes and you can publish the blog. It is as simple as that. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.